Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the ANENG digital clamp meter. And on top it's a multimeter tester with AC/DC current, voltage, NCV, amp, ohm, volt, 4000 counts, meter, measures, capacitance, resistance, diodes, continuity, frequency. We have a backlight. It's an Electrican tool. The clamp meter can measure not only for AC current, but also for DC current, AC and DC voltage, resistance, capacitance, continuity, diode and frequency in hard, live and zero wire. Digital clamp meter is a perfect troubleshooting ammeter tool. We can accurately troubleshoot vehicle or internal electrical problems in a fraction of the time and get the jobs done more efficiently. The maximum wire diameter that the ANENG multimeter can measure is 1.33 inches without interrupting the circuit. We double open jars, meet our operation habits. And we have a non-contact voltage detector. This is the NCV. It can easily and quickly determine whether there's a voltage. The NCV non-contact AC voltage detection function can be switched by short pressing the NCV button anywhere. Really cool. The voltage tester, where it can handle the damage and the demands of a long workday, from the well exterior to the wide range of heavy-duty functions. Stylish designed. Prevents any damage or scratches caused by accidentally dropping, secures the device in a good condition on traveling or outdoor use. We should make press the REL to zero out the meter before clamping. The package of the capacitor tester comes with a lot of stuff, with a really lot of stuff. We have, of course, the multimeter, the clamp meter, 2 AAA batteries, a combination lead, 4 connection sockets, 2 PVC cables, 2 copper needles, 2 U-shape inserts, 2 meter pan, 2 alligator clips, 2 puncture needles, the multimeter itself, a lead, charging cable, storage bag, and so on. That's really cool because it's a big bunch of possibility which this PM200 by ANENG gives us. It's an auto-ranging digital clamp meter, TRMS, 600 ampere, 4000 counts. Whoa. That's really cool. That's easy. The PM200, designed to be safely and accurately used by professionals and weekend DIYers. It is suitable for commercial and household electrical problems. And to measure an alternate current, easy peasy. The measuring range of an AC current is from 0 up to 600 ampere. Accuracy is plus minus 2.5% plus 20D. And we have a direct current, DC current, 600 ampere measurement possibility. The accuracy is the same. Easy peasy going, baby. That's cool. And the weight and the size, small and light, easy to carry when working, suitable for one-hand use. It is really small. We have it in 2.56 inches to 7.1 inches. Oh yeah, that's not big. That's small enough. And we have a jar design that's easy to operate. The jar can open up to 1.33 inches, and it makes it convenient to do any task. The jar is marked with a maximum voltage and current measurement value. And the backlight screen. That means the color screen display is flashing for easy reading even in the bright or dim places. Application in automobile repair, DIY, etc. Really good. And we see voltage detection. That means non-contact voltage detection. This is designed for safety. We just place the probe near the outlet sockets or terminals, etc. to test the voltage presence. And then it is DC voltage, AC voltage measurement, capacitance, no prob, baby. Diode measurements, DC current, AC current, resistance test, hard measures, capacitance, capacitive discharge, everything is nearly possible with that device here. The digital clamp multimeter has been designed according to the IEC 61010 oncoming electronic measuring instruments with an overvoltage category of Cat2 600 volt and polygen degrees 2. To avoid possible electric shock or personal use, we should have a look that we are trained with such an electronic stuff, because on a live line it's bad for you if you come in contact with that. So take care of you, but use this measurement device here really nice and cool. You go with the ANENG digital clamp meter with additional multimeter. It's a big possible of testing, as you can see. And that it's not what I showed you in this 5 or 7 minutes is not the big bunch of possibility what this can do for you. That's the ANENG digital clamp meter. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon. That's cool.